So this is currently our closet situation. We did do a massive update. Just in around Christmas time, we did this massive renovation to our closet, and this is what we have. Way better than what it was, to be honest with you. Still causing some shoe chaos, as you can see. It is out of control, and my biggest pet peeve is just crazy shoes laying right at the front door. I can't deal with that. So what I'm gonna do is front door closet reorg. We have nothing else to do. I mean, here we are, sun's about to go down, got nowhere to be, so hope you enjoy this. First things first is we have to figure out what shoes are we using now regularly versus winter shoes, which are super chunky, bulky winter boots that we're no longer going to be wearing. It is no longer winter. Spring has come. Thank the Lord. We need to get rid of these things. Can't have them take up space when we're not using them anymore. So yeah, one pair of boot down. It's really hard to determine which shoes he's going to be using, but those were his winter boots and they are super chunky. I have a couple of winter boots here. A good chunk right here can be cleared out. Super exciting. All these can go somewhere else. So that's pretty exciting. Now we just have to determine how to organize these things way better than we have before. And of course, to make sure that there's nothing here that we're not using regularly. Like winter jackets. Thank the Lord, they got to go. Too bulky. Make sure you color coordinate because you gotta keep it appealing to the eyes. This, my friends, chunky, don't need it anymore because no more winter. Yes. Gotta get wipes. These are like super in high demand right now, so I really feel like abusing them. We need to have a clean home. And this hasn't had a wipe down for at least a year, so. Well, actually not even a year. We haven't had this for that long. It's a nice wipe down. All the parts that might have a little dust on them. Get rid of that. This is our old beat up garage door opener that we're going to replace soon. Was on the wall. I'll put some pictures to show you how stupid and ugly it looks. For now, it's here until we buy a new one. Lots of dusting and cleaning that has to be done of the last 6 months of having shoes come in with dirt and whatnot. So I'm going to get to that and get back to you once that's done. I forgot to press record as I started reorganizing, of course. So let me take you through what I've done. All right. So taking care of all the spring jackets and making sure that they are color coordinated so it's appealing to the eyes. Taking care of his shoes, given him a lot of space. So all of this is for his shoes. They are bigger and they do take up a lot more space, so I can appreciate that. And leaving this portion, majority of the top half for myself. And then down to his shoes again. So pretty organized. These are the shoes that we will probably regularly wear. And the closet is now pretty organized. Pretty happy about it. And hopefully there will be no more shoes out front. These are what I took out of it. Winter boots will go in the basement. All my fancier shoes that I don't wear regularly, those will go upstairs in our sped bedroom where we do have actually another few racks. Maybe I'll send you a shot of that as well. That is all for today. Super easy. I would say this whole thing, cleaning out and reorganizing this closet, took no more than 10 minutes. And then finding a place for those shoes will take another no more 10 minutes. And then we're done. And hey, I mean, another spot in the house, tidy, fresh, ready to go. All right, guys, so this is the upstairs spare bedroom closet, and this is where we keep items that are either too bulky or seasonal. And as you can see, have another 2 racks piled up on top of each other where we keep all the shoes that are either that we don't wear regularly or that just don't fit anywhere else. So yeah, there you go. Nice and organized, ready to go. What are you guys focusing on around your house? Leave comments down below and don't forget to subscribe.